If you're applying for a spouse visa or an extension visa for your spouse, you need to watch this video. I am Kareesha, your human rights barrister on Kareesha Law. The Home Office has made a series of concessions during the pandemic. There was the introduction of the exceptional assurance, amongst others. I did a video on that. You can find it on my channel. The first version of the coronavirus concession was introduced on the 17th of February 2020. There are many of you out there who are either planning on making a spouse application or making an extension application for their spouses. Now, as you all know, meeting the financial requirements, the minimum income is crucial to a spouse application. If you cannot show that you make £18,600, your application will be refused. There have been previous court decisions whereby it was found that upholding the minimum income in a spouse application under Appendix FM of the immigration rules was lawful, and that was not a breach of your Article 8. And I've heard many of my clients say, well, falling in love or getting married or being with somebody should not depend on how much one earns, but there we have it. But because of the pandemic and the economy, the Home Office is now taking into account loss of earnings. I'll say that's good news. The Home Office is making concessions for families who fall foul of the financial requirements. There is a guidance that has been issued. The Home Office guidance says if your employment has been affected for the past 6 months, they will take that into account when you're making the application. So if you are making a spouse application and you can't meet the financial requirements, gather that evidence and put it in front of the Home Office. That's very important. If you're self-employed or employed and suffered from a loss of income, of annual income due to COVID, between the 1st of March 2020 and up to the 31st of October of this year, they will usually disregard this, along with the impact it's had on your employment and income for the same period for future applications. On that note, one word on the last part of what I just said, impact on future applications. Well, how will that work? So even if you do not need to make an application just yet, or your spouse's application or extension application has not has not expired, you don't need to make that application yet, but you have been impacted by COVID as far as your work is concerned, as long as you have the evidence and you're able to put it forward and present it, the Home Office will consider that. So do not let a loss of income stop you from making an application or renewing your spouse's application, more importantly, or they could become an overstayer, and that is a problem on its own. It's important to engage a lawyer when it comes to specifically those concessions and these type of applications, and I can help you with that. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Continue to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.